Good afternoon to the junior school parents out there and also to our broader school community as well. You can hear some happy sounds of children, which is always a good thing in a school. We're now in our second week of online learning. I feel that the junior school is progressing well with the teaching and the learning, and very positive feedback that's coming through to teachers, which is wonderful. And I thank them for their ongoing, fine, hard work. The federal government's given us some advice through the Chief Medical Officer, Professor Brendan Murphy, which is 2 conditions that no longer apply at school. And it's social distancing in classrooms. It's also the 1 person per 4 square metre rule in classrooms. So those 2 don't apply at school for the children who are here and in schools across Australia, but it still applies to adults, parents and teachers. This week we're rolling out some additional services to families, which is exciting. So you can click and collect is, I guess, the essence of it, for library borrowing, books from the library, for sports equipment, which is nice too, for the home front. And the third one, art and woodwork packages. And you'll see some more information about that a little bit later in the week. I've been enjoying being on Microsoft Teams with every class over the past week or so, talking to lots of individual boys, saying hello to parents as well, and seeing what the boys are doing. And the feedback has been consistently good. The thing the boys are missing the most are their friends. And I would say on that note, for the boys particularly, stay positive in these circumstances as much as possible, but buy into the offerings from Mrs. McFarlane and Mr. Sharp for the pastoral care sessions. Finally, big thank you and shout out to all the parents who are supporting this with the work online at home, and I look forward to talking to you all next week. Bye.